Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a fishnet bracelet without buckle. Now for this you need about 8 feet of paracord for 7 inches wrist. You need a scissors, measuring tape and lighter. Okay, so let's jump right into the tutorial. So first you measure out about 14 inches. Okay, we'll use this to make our knot. So this is about 14 inches. Now we're making a diamond knot. Alright. You want to have this. Okay. Now pick the end. Right, you go down this way into the middle hole, alright, and down this way. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Alright, now this comes back around this way. Okay, goes into this one. This is what you want to have, right? So if you notice, I'm going to be pulling from the bottom, alright? Or rather just watch, I think you'll understand. So I'm going to try to make this shorter so that we'll have extra long cords down there to work with. Okay, so you see, trying to make this short, so you just go back round until you get to this long one. So this is it. This comes down. Oops. This comes down this way. So you have to be careful so you don't pull the wrong cord. Until it's as short as you like it, or as short as you can work with. Okay. So you want to achieve something like this. Alright, so since this is for 7 inches, would measure about 7.5. The 0.5 is going to be part of the working end. But you can measure 8 if you like, but I think 0.8 will be fine for me. Alright, so this is 0.8. So this is going to be the bottom. Alright, come back down this way, then you start the weave. Now the left cord goes over the right, back through the hole and out this way. Sorry about that. Okay, now it's this way. Alright, now it wraps around the left, comes back to the middle and goes back to the right. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. Just keep wrapping around. Okay, now you can cut the bottom here if you wish, but I like to cut it at the end just in case I need to make some adjustments in my measurement. So this is pretty much everything. Okay guys, so yeah, we're back. So the aim is to have made about 7-inch long, see, 7 inches long of fish knot. Okay, so the remaining 0.8 that we measured earlier is going to be part of the knot, part of the clasp. So what you want to do is, this goes under, alright, we're trying to end this, now it goes over this way and underneath, alright, now you pull this as nice and tight as you can. Okay, all you need to do is cut off this excess and cinch, cut very close to where you made the knot, like so. And you cinch. Careful not to burn other things in the process of melting your paracord. Okay, that's fine. And you press this down. Okay, this is good. So yeah, alright, cut off this excess here. Yeah, so this is it. Bracelet is ready.